This is dubious code looking at project 10 in Python and for project Euler. The sum of all primes below 10 is 17. Find the sum of all primes below 2 million. This is another prime problem. It's basically what we've already done. So we have a primes function. So we need primes up to n. We'll have 2 million. Below 2 million. Primes equals primes up to n. And we'll go below 2 million, although it wouldn't matter. This is 2 million. Although let's start with below 10, just as their example. Sum equals 0 for prime and primes. Sum plus equals prime. Nice thing about Python is I don't need to worry about integer overflow or any of that. So I expect this to be 17 per their example. This is Euler 10, although I think I just blew through Euler 3. I can live with that. This is Euler 10. So the sum is 17. So we can, once again, basically just using our prime sieve from project Euler 3, where we went through and found all the primes using a sieve. Pretty easy. And now we go up to 2 million. Let's see if it's running in a reasonable time. A little slow. We could probably make it faster, but it's done now, so it's good enough for today. Oh, I didn't enter a confirmation code. That's because you didn't ask for a confirmation code. 81518. There we go. This is Dubious Code. Thanks for watching.